Let's take a closer look at Amsonia. This is Amsonia or Bluestar, and it's a native perennial that requires little to no maintenance. It gets its name Bluestar because it gets these amazing blue flowers in springtime, but to me that's just an added bonus because you get this awesome narrow leaf foliage throughout the rest of the year, and then that's amazing golden color throughout the fall. Amsonia does really well in full sun to part shade. It can handle some moisture, but does need a slightly well-draining soil. There are also a few different types of Amsonia out there. They range from dwarf varieties that get 12 to 24 inches, all the way up to larger shrub-like forms, which will get up to 3 to maybe 4 feet tall. It's a great plant to use as an alternative to, say, an ornamental grass, because it does give you that grass-like texture, and it also gives you movement within the garden, but the added bonus of spring flowers.
Amsonia is a wonderful plant for year-round interest in the garden, from its beautiful, dainty light blue flowers in springtime to its beautiful fall color just about now. We have two main types though at Bountiful Gardens, from the threadleaf variety to the broadleaf variety. The broadleaf variety tends to be 12 to 24 inches tall and spreads along the ground like a ground cover, while the threadleaf variety tends to be more like a shrub and gets about 3 to 4 feet tall. But regardless of which one you plant, both are great for attracting tons of pollinators, like bumblebees, carpenter bees, moths, hummingbirds, and a variety of other different pollinators. Amsonia is a unique and interesting plant that works well in almost any perennial garden. The plant contains a sap with latex in it, so indigenous tribes used to use it to help close up wounds. However, if you have a latex allergy or your skin is kind of sensitive, I wouldn't recommend rubbing this on your skin. Instead of using them topically, you can use Amsonia in cut flower arrangements. The stems have this really nice, delicate structure to them that adds some depth and foliage to your arrangement. And when they do flower, it's a really striking centerpiece that's perfect for any bouquet. People like to plant them in their cut flower gardens, just in case they need to add a sprig of greenery to their arrangement.
Amsonia is a native perennial here in New Jersey, and it is deer-resistant and pest deterrent due to the latex sap that can be found in its stem. As we go into fall, Amsonia leaves will turn into a beautiful yellow color with almost bright orange stems, and the variety that will do the most of that for you is called butterscotch. Another fun fact about Amsonia is it was named by Dr. Charles Ampson, who was a Virginian scientific explorer and physician in the 18th century.
With its blue spring blooms and blazing autumn hues, Amsonia is a surefire standout in any garden. Thanks again for joining us on yet another one of our deep dives. And if you like what you're seeing, make sure you like this video, leave us a comment down below, and let us know which plant you'd like to see next, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of this amazing content that we're making for you. Thanks again. We'll see you next time.